In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert photos to vectors in Canva. This process is quite straightforward and should only take a few minutes. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Canva's official site. Once there, if you haven't already, you'll need to log into your account. Click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. When prompted, proceed by clicking Continue. You can select your Google account associated with Canva to keep things simple. After selecting your account, click Continue once more to finalize the login process. Now that you're logged in, head over to the project you've been working on or wish to start with. Open this project so that you can begin editing it within Canva. With your project open, locate and select the image you wish to convert into a vector. This part is crucial. Ensure that it's the correct image you'd like to transform. Next, on the left sidebar, you'll find an option labeled Apps. Click on this to reveal a set of functionalities and features available to Canva users. In the search bar that appears, type in Vectorizer. Once the Vectorizer app appears in the results, click on it to open its interface. When you have the Vectorizer tool open, you'll once again click on Vectorizer to launch the feature inside your project. Following this, click on Open to begin working with the tool directly on your image. Here you want to explore the options available to convert your photo. Among the choices, you'll see Binary. Clicking on Binary will present you with a few simple conversion settings. Remember, this isn't the only option. Feel free to tinker with other settings if they fit your design needs better. If you're someone who likes detailed customization, you'll want to check out the Advanced Settings. This feature allows for more nuanced modifications, so go ahead and adjust until the output meets your liking. Once you've adjusted the settings as desired, initiate the conversion process by clicking on Start Tracer. The tool will work its magic and transform your photo into a vector format. Depending on the complexity of your image, this might take a moment or two. Finally, once your vector graphic is ready, add it to your design by clicking on Add to Design. This will place the newly vectorized image into your Canva project, where you can adjust its size, placement, or any final touches as needed. And there you have it. We've successfully converted a photo into a vector graphic in Canva. This conversion not only reduces the image size, but also keeps the quality sharp and scalable, perfect for various design purposes. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.